What's up, y'all? Let's make this one pan Cornish hen. But first, set the vibes. And you know I have to put my girl Tiana on. I don't know, something about her voice just makes me feel mellow, and it just makes me feel like that girl. First, after washing that chicken, we gotta do some seasoning. Put some oil on that chicken to make sure that seasoning stick, and you gotta rub her down. I mean, they are hens, right? Then we gonna chop up the potatoes. I like a little mix of potatoes. I like regular potatoes and sweet potatoes. Put the potatoes around the chicken, put vegetables inside the chicken or whatever you want. Pop that baby in the oven, on 350 degrees, and I let her bake for about an hour. We gonna get her nice and juicy. She almost ready, y'all. Don't she look good? Put the oven higher to like 400 degrees, and after about 30 more minutes, this is what she looked like. So juicy, so tender, fall off the bone. Okay? Look, she nice and crunchy. You hear that? Let's play her up because I am starving and I could not wait to eat this. It was smelling so good. Don't she look good, y'all? I gotta bring some to my mama.